Hello friends, welcome back to the channel The Student's Diary. A hearty welcome to the channel. So if you're a new viewer, please subscribe the channel, like it and share it. And hit the bell icon in order to get the new updates. So today we have some phrasal verbs that will help us to enhance our language, okay? Or it will help us for our spoken. So take against, first we have take against, meaning begin to dislike someone, typically for no strong or obvious reasons. Sorry, ना पसंद करने लगना. Okay, usage from the moment he arrived they took against him. कभी कभी ऐसा लग रहा है ना, बिना कारण से हम किसी को नफरत करते. Okay, that is called. Then we have next one, we have hunker down. What is hunker down? Meaning is to stay in a place for a period of time. The leaders hunker down at a country estate for difficult peace negotiation. Means they stayed there for some period of time. Okay, next we have, these are very important phrasal verbs, okay, that will help you for your exams also. Fawn over. What is fawn over? Meaning praise someone in an excessive way to get their favor or something from them. किसी की अत्यधिक चापलूसी करना. दैट मीन्स कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना, कुछ पाने के लिए हम दूसरे को इतना मतलब इतना उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं लेकिन उसका कंटेंट ही कुछ नहीं रहेगा. Okay, so that is called a fawn over. I hate writers who fawn over you. Okay, so next we have wear off. What is wear off? Meaning lose effectiveness or intensity. Lose effectiveness or intensity. धीमा हो जाना. That means becoming numb. वो बहुत दुर्बल हो जाना. The effects of the drug were wearing off. Okay, वो जो ड्रग लिया था उसका इफेक्ट, उसका नशा क्या हो रहा है, स्लोली डिम हो रहा है. दैट इज कॉल्ड वेयर ऑफ. नाउ पुट ऑफ मीन्स पोस्टपोन, टू चेंज द प्रोग्राम. पोस्टपोनिंग समथिंग, कुछ चीज को अगर हम डिले कर रहे हैं उसको बोलते क्या, पुट ऑफ. We are putting off our trip until January because of the hurricane. Okay, hurricane के वजह से क्या हो रहा है, हमारा ट्रिप को हम पोस्टपोन कर रहे हैं, हम आगे ले रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट वी हैव bawl out. What is bawl out? Speak angrily to someone because of something they have done wrong. When जब कोई बुरा काम करते हम गुस्से में बोलते, ए ये क्यों किया तुम. So that is called bawl out. Okay, uses my manager bawled me out for arriving late. Okay, ऐसे कुछ छोटा छोटा गलती से हमको हमारा बॉस, हमारा मैनेजर्स, हमारा पापा मम्मी भी हमको डांटते. दैट इज कॉल्ड bawl out. He bawled me out. Okay, it's a nice word. Bring down, to cause a government or politician to lose power. That is called bring down. I brought down his power to the dust. हम ऐसे बोलते हैं. ओके, opposition parties are threatening to bring down the government. ओके, कुछ चीज को उसका स्टेटस से नीचे लाने को क्या बोलते हैं, ब्रिंग डाउन. Do away with. Do away with means put an end to or remove or abolish, quash, get rid of. That is called do away with. Means go away from that situation. Okay, abolish or get rid of that thing. The desire to do away with racism. Okay, racism से हमको दूर रहना पड़ेगा. Okay, because we are already educated now. So मुक्त हो जाना को बोलते हैं get rid of or do away with. Means मुक्त हो जाना. Shore up, to provide strength. The plane will enable his company to shore up its financial position. That means it will strengthen the financial position of the company, or like it works like boost, or okay, boost. Read through, that means going through something, To read quickly, beginning to the end is called read through. That means a complete reading. Remember to read through your essay before you hand it in. Okay, हमको एग्जाम में कुछ चीज को देने से पहले हम इसको अच्छे से रीड थ्रू करना पड़ता है, गो थ्रू करना पड़ता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड रीड थ्रू. पुल ऑफ meaning succeed in achieving or winning something difficult. That is called pull off. मतलब हम किसको खींच कर छीन कर अपना बनाते हैं उसको. ओके, किसी मुश्किल काम को करने में सफल होना को बोलते हैं पुल ऑफ. दैट मीन्स हम हमारा बना देते हैं. ओके, he pulled off a brilliant first round win. Next we have breakout, meaning it's related to war, fighting. Okay, so start suddenly. Usage: forest fire have broken out across Indonesia. That means Indonesia में forest fire अभी बहुत spread हो गया. The last one we have it is bag out. What is bag out? To criticize someone is called bag out. I don't mean to bag you out, but that top is really not flattering on you. He bagged her out because she was late for the meeting. Okay, means to criticize someone is called bag out. Okay, ये हो गया कुछ phrasal verbs. So next I will bring for you many more phrasal verbs that will help you for your day-to-day life. Okay, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.